Cody, Cody, ये दसने नंबर YouTube पे दसने लोगों का
I, Lakumar Govana.
Okay, your hand please, left hand. I here take on oath
Hereby take on oath
as a member of Executive Committee, affirm that I shall abide to the objectives and bylaws of the World City Congress. I shall carry out all the tasks assigned by the General Body and Executive Committee of the World City Congress. I shall never compromise on undeniable right of self-determination of the sin. I further affirm that I shall uphold the Sydney principles of tolerance and respect of all the human beings. Okay, congratulations. Thank you very much.